we are predicting USD to strengthen to 85 levels due to recovery of US economy in second half. No, in fact, when US economy recovers, it is generally positive for the market, including India. So it's not, it's like, think about it. 2008 was not an Indian crisis. 2011-12 was not an Indian crisis. It was European crisis. Then we had another 2017-18 was a Chinese crisis. So you don't have to have a bad US for India to become better, right? You need good US to have a good emerging market, and a bad China or Europe or US will also mean bad for India, for Indian currency at least. So we are expecting that US economy will see recessionary pressures around maximum by mid-23, maybe earlier, but at max by mid-23. Recessionary pressure. Market will also expect, no, the interest rates are going to remain high for a long time. 10-year rates crossing 4 again, 4.5, 4.25. That would cause dollar strength and weakening of rupee is what we are expecting. And unfortunately, the hygiene factors around India is not too good this time because the trade deficit is high. And the carry interest rate differential has come down. One hygiene factor is good, that is India still has a strong banking and corporate sector, very decently strong. So that's a good part about India, and it is one of the country which is offering growth, consumption-led growth. But you have to see, market is also observing very clearly that there are lots of talk around India having investments, FDIs, growth, the talk versus reality, there is a gap. So market is also observing the same. And that's the reason that, investors may not jump on India with a huge amount of dollar basket.